sharing your videos might be destroying your channel's growth. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's true. Look at it like this. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they're all run by an algorithm. An algorithm that, I hate to say it, is smarter than you. The algorithm knows each and every user on these platforms better than those users know themselves. How many times have you found yourself on YouTube in a rabbit hole watching videos that were recommended to you? Keyword recommended. The main goal of the algorithm, keep you watching. That is all that the algorithm wants to do. And thus, it's gonna serve you the content that you're most likely to sit and watch. So how does this have anything to do with sharing content with friends and family? Well, let's go ahead and break it down even more. When you share your own content, you're effectively competing with the algorithm. You're saying, I think I know what these people want to watch. They want to watch my video. And yes, your mom will probably want to watch your video. Don't be afraid to share your videos with your mom or any friends that you know will sit and watch the entire 8 minutes of your wild and crazy vlog. But will all of your friends? Will all of your Instagram followers? Will that group text from work want to watch the entirety of the video you're uploading? They might click and check it out and watch for a minute or two, but then they might close out of the video. Unfortunately, that minute or two is hurting your average view duration. This is a huge factor in gaining traction on a website like YouTube. Keeping viewers and raising your average view duration is one of the most critical components for success on YouTube today. When the algorithm shares your video, it's looking specifically for people who watch videos just like yours. It might find people who don't know you, but they are interested in watching 4, 5, 6 minutes of a video that you're creating. And if you're lucky, it might find a viewer who wants to watch not only the entirety of this video, but 3 or 4 of your other videos as well. This means the algorithm is doing a better job sharing your content than you are. It is highly likely that YouTube is picking viewers for your videos who are watching the videos longer than the people you're sending your videos to. It may be hard to believe, but the data is there. The algorithm works, and it works extremely well. In many cases, when you share your videos, you're hurting your average view duration. When YouTube shares your videos, it's helping your average view duration. So let's break this down even further. When you send your video to a friend who doesn't watch the video in its entirety, YouTube is thinking, this video just doesn't have what it takes to keep a viewer, or at least this viewer. But you're sitting here watching this video and you're thinking, my friends do watch all of my videos and they watch them in their entirety. Well, let's say they do. That's fantastic, and YouTube is cheering, thinking that we've found a strong viewer for these videos. Well, what does YouTube do next? It looks to your friends' channels and it says, well, what other videos are these people watching? YouTube thinks, if they liked this video, your video, the one that you sent to your friend, well, then your friend must be watching other videos that are just like this. It starts to build a connection between your video and the previous videos that your friends have watched. Well, that sounds fantastic, right? Maybe not. What if the videos they typically watch are nothing like your video? What if your video was about photography, but your friends typically watch videos about cooking? Well, suddenly YouTube's now pairing your photography video with cooking videos? Now YouTube is sharing your video to the totally wrong audience. And you can see how this can start to spiral out of control. If you're sending your video to 10 different people who don't watch anything on photography besides your videos because you're in it, well, suddenly YouTube's getting mixed signals and it doesn't know what exactly your video's about. Very quickly, the target audience can get lost, a video can become mixed in the jumble of the algorithm and who you're sharing your videos with, and unfortunately, that's where a video can go to die. So what should you do? The YouTube algorithm, and all other social media algorithms for that matter, know what to do best. They know where to look for the proper audience. I'd suggest you upload your video and you let YouTube do the sharing. It will find the proper audience for you. This is the same for TikTok, it's the same for Instagram. Let the algorithm do what it does best. The algorithms know how to find the right audience. And they will. It may take days, it may take months, but this still works. If you're patient and you continue to consistently upload, the YouTube algorithm will find the right audience for you. And it'll keep working until it does. Keep the faith and keep creating.